All right, hey, this is Sean Snyder, RV Traveling Treasures. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, we back this spring we planted these potatoes in 5-gallon buckets. We've seen a lot of other people had luck at it. We'll see. We're up here in Minnesota. It took some harsh weather still in April, May, between storms, breaking off some of our plants, and some cold weather at the beginning. Thank goodness potatoes are hardy, but we're just gonna see if we got any luck on harvesting. This is the first plant to pretty much show up dead. So we're gonna see if we're having any luck. We still got some other plants that are still thriving, so we'll see if we even getting any luck here at this. We'll dig some of this out. No, nothing on that one that I can feel. Well, maybe. Down here at the bottom.
We have potatoes.
We have some potatoes. We didn't get it. It wasn't a lost cause after all. 2 will be no better than none, but I'm sure there's more down here. Oh yeah, I feel another one. We might have fried potatoes tonight after all. One more there that you can get off of that small one. Wasn't the windfall that I was hoping for, but we still got 4 more buckets.
This isn't bad for just a 5-gallon bucket.
No.
It was better than nothing.
Yeah.
Especially since it was our trial run.
That's it. That looks like the end of it. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good sized ones, 2 smaller ones.
Our first potato harvest.
They don't look green, so they didn't get any sunlight, so they're not poisoned. That was my biggest other concern doing it in a 5-gallon bucket. Wasn't going to shield it from the light, because you don't want sunlight hitting potatoes will make them poisonous. Okay. That's all. Well, thanks for being with us, and Liberty First. Have a great day.